Welcome to the Air Quality Aware app. This app allows you to look at air quality in your local area and even on a national level. The data that feeds this app is from the Environmental Protection Agency's Air Now program, from NOAA's National Weather Service, and from the U.S. Census Bureau's American Community Service survey program. If we click on the question mark here, we can find out more about those data sources and more about how to use the app. So in terms of using the app, there's two different ways to interact with this map. So first, when we're looking at this map, we're seeing a map of North America, and we're seeing green and yellow. When we click on one of the green areas, we're going to find out that the green indicates that the current air quality is good, whereas if we click on an area of yellow, we're going to find that the air quality there is moderate. So in terms of how to use this area over here, now that we're clicked on a particular location, it gives us the current level of air quality, which is moderate. It tells you today's and tomorrow's forecast, what it's the air quality is predicted to be like in today and tomorrow. So this tells you what those different colors mean, that the air pollution poses little or no risk at this level, and the moderate means that it may be a risk for people who are usually unusually sensitive to air pollution. It also gives us the weather data from the National Weather Service to look at wind speed, because wind moves air pollution. So it tells us what that is like. And then finally, it tells us the composition of the population that is impacted by these particular conditions, saying that about a quarter of them are seniors, about 14% are school age, and then a little over 2% are asthmatic. And then it also tells us the workers at risk in the workforce. So it gives you that snapshot of what current conditions are like in a particular area, helps you anticipate the conditions in the next couple of days, and then also tells you the population impacted. Another way of interacting with the app, rather than just simply clicking on a location on the map, is by typing in an address. So let's say I want to get the conditions at the institution where I teach. I can put that address in there, and you can see that we are in the moderate area, and it's looking at the wind speeds for the next few hours here, and then it's telling us the composition of the population. So really quick, simple, easy app to look at air quality within the United States.